welcome back. I'm Tina.
And I'm Kelly.
And today we're going to be talking about homeschooling around the holidays.
Oh,
So always a fun thing, right?
It is. It's a good break.
Yeah. I feel like that we want to make sure that we balance homeschooling, the academic side with the people side, right? Because it's just as much about how we live around people, how we serve people, how we show Christ's love to other people. And I think the holidays are a great time to do that.
Yes.
Sometimes people actually plan to do less academics so that they can do that more. They can bake more cookies for people. They can go visit more people or whatnot. You make good memories doing that. And but there's also skills that you can add in to doing that. So when you write cards to people, you can practice handwriting. Right?
Yes.
You don't always have to do handwriting in the book. You just practice writing in your cards. You can practice math in the kitchen while you're baking cookies. So yeah, do you keep up through the holidays, or how do you do it, Cal?
I purposely start early. So
Okay, in the school year, you mean?
Yes, we normally start like beginning of August, the first
Okay.
week in August.
Okay.
So that we can be done by like December 15th. Also, our family all lives far away. Well, they did up
Okay.
until recently. We've been blessed to have most of our family move within 4 hours.
Okay.
But before, our family all lived like 12 hours away.
Wow.
So we shot to be done by December 15th
Okay.
so that we could travel.
Right.
And we could go spend a week with this family member, come home, have a week home, go spend a week with that family, come home.
Theoretically, you could just bring your things, right? You could
Yes,
just bring...
you could, but we didn't want, we
didn't want
really
to.
wanted, like you said, it's about relationships.
Sure.
And so we really wanted to have that time for relationships. We really wanted to bake the cookies and
Yeah.
to make the cards.
Yeah.
And we really do try to get to those nursing homes and those shut-ins.
Yeah.
And this year I think it is going to be different with COVID. So I think with the pandemic, it's going to be different.
Yeah.
And it's really going to be hard for our kids
Yeah.
to know what's Carolyn going to look like this year.
Right,
What's those
right.
nursing homes going to look like this year. And
Right.
to not forget about that. Let's be creative. Be creative with your kids this year. And, maybe we will have to carol outside of a window instead of going into inside. But they need it.
Yeah.
They really
we
do.
want to show the love of Christ.
We
to
do need to
others.
show the love of Christ even in the middle of a pandemic.
Yeah.
And
I know there's a lot of moms who take the time over the holidays to reassess how their year has
Yes.
gone. So you can either use the time to catch up on things that maybe you got behind on because things tend to slow down your, engagements elsewhere and your obligations elsewhere tend to slow down. So you can either take that time to catch up, or sometimes you can take that time just to have it off. I like to evaluate how the first semester has gone and then reassess, what do I want to do differently? Oftentimes I feel I tend to get behind on grading things, and so the holidays are a great time to catch up on that. And then sometimes when you start to grade things, you think, whoa, we really did not get this concept. So, case in point, what I was saying, it's a good time to play catch up or to go over those areas that we just maybe didn't hit as well as what we should have. But it's a great time to sort of re-energize your batteries, I find, because I really feel like the winter, that like especially February, but January, February, beginning of March, it's the doldrums, and man, you realize it's like a marathon. And so if you take the holidays to really enjoy yourself, re-energize, reassess, then at least you have a plan going into the new year.
And just remember the reason for the season. I know that that's a cliche and a whatever, but we homeschool for their hearts. At least that's what we do. And if we get so caught up in the busyness and let's just school today to get through it so that we can go on to the next thing and the next thing, and we're forgetting the reason for it. So keep focused on the reason, and if you need this time to remind you of why did you start this journey, and use this time to reevaluate why.
I'm just laughing because I'm thinking of the mom saying the same thing. Why did I start this journey?
And this is a great time to remember that.
Yeah,
Remember
but everybody
why.
needs it. Everybody needs a break, and this is a great time to take one. So anyway, hopefully that helps you as you gear up to homeschool through your holidays, and we'll see you next time. Bye now.
God bless and have a great day.